At ang susunod po nating award ay isang sponsor award mula sa Twins Ballet Photo. So tinatawagan ko si Kuya John Napoles para i-award ko ang ating Miss Photogenic. So kung sino daw po yung lalabas na picture dito sa ating picture frame, ay siya po ang ating Miss Photogenic. At para ipinang sash, tinatawagan ko si Mr. John Napoles, Miss Diwani M. Tejerero, for the certificate Miss Besurica Arabor, for the cash Honorable Sherwin M. Mortel. Please do the honors of revealing the Miss Photogenic. Honorable Corazon Amatorio. Candidate number 5, Miss Carla Estrada. Sash for Best in Sportswear, may we call on Honorable Reynante B. Mapindan and Miss Agnes Arte for the certificate Honorable Sherwin M. Mortel, and for the cash Honorable Ronito S. Zuniga. And our Best in Sportswear, sino kaya? Candidate number... Hindi ko na number. Number 3. Candidate is... Miss Photogenic and Miss Avon is candidate number 5, Carla Estrada, and our Best in Sportswear is Miss Ann Curtis.